Hey yo, man, this your boy Spliff Star, man. Now I know you see me on TV and them videos doing what I do. I know you heard me on the radio before. I know you see me on stage killing it before. Some of you may even have wondered, who is that guy? Spliff Star, baby. After dark. This is how we do it.
Hello. Right. Every day.
What's up, Spliff After Dark? It's your girl, Boom Cat.
Boom!
That's Spliff After Dark.
Did you have to kill him?
And understand the official magic that he brings to the 8 count. This is the first version of how to body bag a beat on the dance floor.
Wow. And that was told by you by one of the greatest dancers in the world. It's your boy Spliff Star.
Body bag.
Body bag. Murder.
Basically,
People dead. You watch the Spliff Star After Dark. It's crazy. This is where we keep realness with the realness. Only realness can be on my show. I ain't with no plastic. All right. I'm here with my man Buckshot Shorty. Y'all already know who it is, man. It's the Black to the Moon, baby.
Don't front, you know I got you open. Check the dialect from a diaphragm, my man.
This is the first Diddy. I'ma say it. This was the first Diddy. And what I mean by that is he was the first to really have like 4 or 5 artists, and they were all popping at the same time. I don't think people give Buckshot Shorty his mother props, but it's okay. They didn't give Jesus his props neither.
There you go. The CEO with the leaky flow. If you don't know, now you know.
Exactly.
Spliff After Dark. If you're not gully, then stay the hell away from here.
Shoot. Boom. We're gonna show y'all the new and upcoming. I know y'all heard him on the radio, you see him on the blogs, you see him, if you've been to a conglomerate show, my man Reek the Villain.
Yeah.
You heard me? What's going on, Reek?
You?
That's what it is, baby.
No.
Tell the people where you from and all that.
Straight from Roosevelt, Strong Island, you heard, don't get it confused, baby. Public Enemy, Howard Stern, Dr. J, just to name a few legends. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is, conglomerate, Paper Rock, YMCMB, this is what we do. This is my big brother.
I'm really proud of you, because I know personally the grind that you put in.
Absolutely. You know all the bullshit that I had to go through, all the ups and downs, all the good times, bad times, you know. So, it mean a lot for you.
So, Spliff Star, and you watching Spliff After Dark.
Paper Rock.
Get your stamps up.
Stamps up.
Spliff After Dark, you about to get on stage and be stupid. Act like you don't know. Watch this.
Yo, Spliff, what's up? Show them this you be doing when you be bugging out. You smoking a little good. You getting you into your motherfucking instruments. Just show them what you be doing real quick, son.
Busta Rhymes is my boy since 9 years old off of Trav and like that. You know, it wasn't really no plan for me to be in the music. I just, you know, coming from Virginia doing my hustle. But then I started coming up with ideas because we got a solo deal. I had got hurt real bad and I got shot up. And when I healed up, I just stood there and been stuck like bolts and screws. We became Batman and Robin, Laurel and Hardy. Left foot, right foot. You know? That's what it is right now. People like Ice Cube and and Flavor Flav and Ice-T and Run DMC, the whole gang, come in my dressing room praising me for shit that I'm doing. I get on stage and I get on there with my man and we do our Batman and Robin 1-2 and we make it hard for the next act that's coming before us or even after us. It's still hard. It's real hard. There's not one artist that I could go up to that won't talk to me. Get your stamps up.
You know I look too good to be selling this, but get your stamps up, I'm yelling this. It's Big Snoop Dogg, you jealous bitch. And when I'm on the microphone, you can smell it.
It's my T-Pain. Get your stamps up. Tell them get the stamps up.
Good day, get your stamps up.
That's right. Get your stamps up.
Let's get your stamps up tall. Get to know what that is.
But at the same time, there's certain like MOP or Jada Kiss. When I go see them the nice day in New York, I don't want 2 new crates in front of the bodega. Hey, yo, Buzz Kawoon is one of the dopest MCs out here in East Flatbush, man.
In the cave, man. We in the cave.
I want you to look at this crib. This crib is dirty.
Nah.
And he refused to clean it.
Nah.
Hold on. Y'all tell me on yourself. Alright? This is not, I'm just trying, I don't know if it's the method to his madness, but this here is serious. Play me some shit, man. What you got for us, man?
Big knots by the rubber band, hustle man, my show selling out like the summer jam.
I'm in the hood, man. East Flatbush, Troy Ave. Something is always going down, man. There's always some crazy shit, man. If it ain't nobody getting beaten, somebody got shot. Somebody got shot, somebody got robbed. Somebody got robbed, somebody got hit by a car. I don't know, it's too much. I just want to make things good. Like, I want to show them how to travel.
South Africa,
Switzerland. Just stamps up. Look at this, son. We ain't gonna talk about that money, because we know about that money. Y'all know about this money right here, son.
yeah, international money.
Y'all ain't. Oh my God. That's a beast right there.
But at the last page,
I want to keep smiling on my shit. Always constantly laughing. And that's it. Yeah. Hey yo, you bum ass, get your stamps up. You already know what it is. You see me here with my man Mike. Talk to these.
yeah, man, get your stamps up. I ain't talking about no food stamps, no EBT cards. We talking about something real, you know what I mean, official.
Yeah,
Passport stamps.
there you go, passport. How many passports you got?
Hey, man, I've been trying to get a damn furlough on these felonies I got.
Oh man.
I hate myself. That's what a lot of you motherfuckers do. You hate yourself. You hot dog water smelling bitches.